Hi guys and welcome back to Gadget Guide channel. USB flash drive are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits and price. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put a list of the best USB flash drive from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive research, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you are curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Number 5. Verbatim 128GB USB 2.0 Flash Drive. Pinstripe USB drive makes transporting and sharing files simple. Push and pull sliding feature protects the USB connection when not in use, eliminating the need for a separate cap, which can be easily lost. Lightweight, slim design, perfect storage solution for all storage needs. USB 2.0 interface, PC, Macs, and Linux compatibility. Limited lifetime warranty. Number 4. PNY 128GB USB 2.0 Flash Drive. The durable, lightweight design of the Attaché 3 USB 2.0 Flash Drive is the essential mobile storage solution. The sliding collar and capless design protects your important content when not in use. The key loop allows for the USB flash drive to easily attach to keychains, so important files are never out of reach. Compatible with most PC and Mac laptop and desktop computers with USB 2.0 ports. Compatible with USB 3.0 host devices at USB 2.0 speeds. Number 3. Samsung 128GB USB 3.1 Flash Drive. Redefine everyday file transfers with speeds up to 300 MB per second. Exceptionally compact USB flash drive for an unnoticeable, seamless fit, designed with a key ring to prevent loss. Reliable and secure storage for your photos, videos, music, and files. USB 3.1 flash drive with backwards compatibility, USB 3.0, USB 2.0. Compatible devices, television, tablet, laptop. Number 2. SanDisk 128GB USB 3.0 flash drive. High-speed USB 3.0 performance of up to 150 MB/s, write to drive up to 15x faster than standard USB 2.0 drives, 4 MB per second, varies by drive capacity, up to 150 MB per second read speed. USB 3.0 port required. Based on internal testing, performance may be lower depending on host device, usage conditions, and other factors. 1 MB equals 1000,000 bytes. Transfer a full-length movie in less than 30 seconds. 2. Based on 1.2 GB MPEG-4 video transfer with USB 3.0 host device. Results may vary based on host device, file attributes, and other factors. Transfer to drive up to 15 times faster than standard USB 2.0 drives. 1. Sleek, durable metal casing. Easy to use password protection for your private files. 3. Password protection uses 128-bit AES encryption and is supported by Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, and Mac OS X version 10.9+. Software download required for Mac. Visit the SanDisk Secure Access support page. Number 1. SanDisk 256GB USB 3.1 Flash Drive. A compact, plug-and-stay, high-speed USB 3.1 flash drive that's ideal for adding more storage to laptops, game consoles, in-car audio and more. Simple, fast way to add up to 256 GB of storage to your device. 1 GB equals 1000,000 bytes actually user storage less. Read speeds up to 130 MB/s, write to drive up to 15x faster than standard USB 2.0 drives, 4 MB per second, USB 3.1 Gen 1 or USB 3.0 port required. Based on internal testing, performance may be lower depending on host device. 1 MB equals 1000,000 bytes. Write up to 15x faster than standard USB 2.0 drives. 1. Move a full-length movie to the drive in less than 30 seconds. 2. Based on 1.2 GB MPEG-4 video transfer with USB 3.1 Gen 1 or USB 3.0 host device. Results may vary based on host device, file attributes, and other factors. Keep private files private with included SanDisk Secure Access software. 3. Password protection uses 128-bit AES encryption and is supported by Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, and Mac OS version 10.9+. Software download required for Mac. Visit the official SanDisk website for secure access details. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and don't forget to comment below. Check out the description and first comment to find the product links. Thank you so much for visiting my Gadget Guide channel.